Good morning, children. Already we have started this lesson in Unit 2 for 8th standard Unit 2. Hobby turns into successful career. Already we have seen a person. In Unit 1, that is Section 1, we have seen the boy was money. His hobby is what I said. His hobby was reading. Though he is not good in reading, his grandfather told him some stories and bought the storybooks. By learning the practice makes a man perfect. By learning the books, bedtime stories, he just started to write and has become a successful writer. We have seen already. Next, we have to see Section 2. We have to see about a person whose name is Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar Garg. So when he was a boy, he is normally like us. Okay, so we'll go to this just short note of him. When he was a boy, he is normal like us. Then at the age of 3, he fell into sick. So that though the parents have given the treatment, he could not get back his vision properly. Not vision, hearing. He got the hearing impairment. So his father started to give him some other training, just to avoid, because it's not because of the defect. He could not concentrate in studies. His father gave him a painting box. By using the painting box, he started to do paintings and all. Further, his father has given the coaching with 2 persons. Then after that, he has become a great painter, that is great artist. He is doing a picture, even the horse, the rices they know. The rice they are doing the decorations, they are doing the heart in the rice. That is miniature. This miniature, that is cultural program of cultural habit of our Indians. Okay, yeah. So this and all he learned later on, and he has become a successful artist, as well as because he got the hearing impairment, that he could not hear properly. You know what's the challenges those people are facing. So he started a LPH, like that is for the hearing defect people, and he has been the member of that. He has started the society and he was helping to them also. So let us go to the lesson now. Ajay Kumar Garg is very talented young artist. What is his hobby? That painting. He is an artist. Painting is his hobby. Okay. He lives in Jaipur in India. His childhood was going on well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. At the age of 3, when he got the defect hearing impairment at the age of 3 years. When he was 3, he got this impairment. He fell ill. Ajay was treated, but the treatment left him permanently deaf. Though they have given the treatment, parents have taken much care and they gave the treatment, then also the boy has become deaf. They tried in several hospitals, but everything, all their efforts become vain. Vain means what? It becomes waste. But it did not cure him. Impairment means that is a defect in hearing. His father once bought him a paint set to play. Ajay started to paint happily because he could not hear properly, he could not concentrate in studies. So he started to paint with a paint box. He painted on the walls, floors, etc. He looked happy while using the paint that was gifted to him. He was very happy while doing the painting. On seeing the son's interest, father planned to send him to some other place to get the training, player. Soon Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years old, 3 years old, he fell sick and he got impairment in hearing. The 5 years, his father realized and he has got the training. He underwent training in what? In painting. There should be a proper coach, that interest alone not enough. That is not enough. Even we should have the proper coach to train us. So his father took him. The court artists of Dolpur His name is Sri Subalal. Who is the artist who has given the training to him? Sri Subalal. He is the artist who was given the training for him in the first time. Okay. Was very impressed with his work. He then took Ajay and started training him. He trained. So up to his level best, what he knows, he taught to the Ajay. After completing his education, Ajay tried tailoring. So he is not only interested in painting, even tailoring also he tried, but he could not succeed in that. Succeed means what? He could not come out successful. Did not make him happy, so he went back to painting. He became an apprentice of Asha Devi. Then Asha Devi, she is the second person who has given a training. She is the second artist who gave him training. She taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature. So what she has trained? Traditional This is painting in a small things and we have studied in the paper, no. The rice they are making the Taj Mahal, palace, everything like that. This is our traditional. Traditional means our heritage it is. Our special character of our Indian artist, okay, a special character. So traditional miniature is training and he has taught her to do the painting in the smaller things and all. Soon he became a accomplished artist in miniature style. You uses magnifying glass and single hairbrush for miniature paintings that depict Indian culture. Then whatever is painting, it says about the Indian culture. We cannot see by the thing. On looking, it sees only the rice. Yes, only one rice. But if you go through that with the magnifying glass and other thing, we can see the picture, we can see the painting, what the carving, what he did in the rice. Ajay is gifted in the practice of creating images on the grain also. He exhibited his work and sold 144 out of 150 paintings. After he has become well-trained artist, he has exhibited all his paintings. Exhibited means what? Display all his painting in the exhibition. Totally he displayed 150 out of 150. 144 were sold out. Then how many remaining? Only 6. So it shows his heart of painting. So such a beautiful painter, artist he is. Because of that thing only, everything was sold. 150 paintings, 144 were sold. In 2004, he was awarded a national award, accomplishment of Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In 2004, he got the award from Abdul Kalam. You know who is Abdul Kalam? Our former president. Who brought the fame to India by his scientific works. Okay, he got the award from Dr. J. Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. Apart from painting, he is also very actively involved in the welfare of people with the hearing impairment in India because he knows the sufferings of them because he himself is a impaired boy only. So he has been executive member of Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. Deaf and Dumb Association, where it is? In Rajasthan. Deaf, you know. That is, he could not hear. Dumb, those who cannot speak. Association, where it is? In Rajasthan. He also gives free training to hearing impaired children in Jaipur as well as children in orphanage of Gandhinagar, Jaipur. He is not only helping in Rajasthan, even in Jaipur also. Jaipur also he is helping the hearing impairment children. Ajay's current goal is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. So, what is his goal? To revitalize. Revitalize means what? Vital means what? Strength, vitamin, giving vitamins. Already our traditional, that is, traditional miniature was going on dying. So, he want to give a new energy to the art of paint. Ajay life shows that we can turn our hobby or passion into a successful career if you are ready to learn and develop our skills. So really we wanted to be a successful man. No use of having the hobbies alone. The hobbies must go in the proper way. We should have the proper training and that should lead us to the success. Such a way of hobby we have to select. And if you are going on well developed and well trained in our hobbies and we are taking this is a must, certainly our dreams will come true. This is the lesson we have studied now. Previously I said about a boy who was interested in reading. Then he has become successful writer. Then this one is the boy of hearing impairment. Then too he started painting and he became a successful artist. Clear? So we can say the true and false and all we have to say, well. Let me go for the other one. It is about a girl who is not even 15 years old. She is very good in carom. We have to see. So this is about other girl. Or else we'll go for question and answers. After that, next class I'll take this. Ajay Garg is an artist. True or false? He is artist only. So true. Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. That is true. Ajay displays 150 paintings. That is also what? True. 150 paintings he displayed. Out of 150, 144 were sold out. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Is it true or not? True only. So all the four are true. Now suppose in case we are questioning you, what was Ajay gifted with? What you have to say? He was gifted with the art of painting. How was he honored? By whom he was honored? He was honored by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What's Ajay's current goal? It's given in our book very clearly. Its goal is to revitalize the dying part of traditional miniature Indian painting. Does Ajay hobby become a successful career? Yes. How? Though he got the hearing impairment, he is very good in painting and he has learned painting from who are all? That is artist, how to draw and how to give the painting by Mrs. Sri Suvalal and Mrs. Asha Devi, and thus he became a successful man by his career and he started, because of that money only, he started the association in Rajasthan as well as in Jaipur. Clear? Next we have to go for, that is section 3. It is about a girl. The girl name is Ilavazhagi. And he is in this lesson we have to see 3 subheadings. The first one, though he is not interested in studies, by reading the storybooks he has become a successful writer. The boy name is what I said, Money. The second, we have seen a person, though he got the impairment in hearing, he has become a successful artist and he is honored by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president. And the third case we have to see, that is a girl, his name is Ilavazhagi. She is not even 15 years old and she got many medals and she is good in carom. She is an athlete, she is a sportswoman. So she started a lot of things and she brought fame to our India as well as Tamil Nadu. She belongs to Tamil Nadu. She lives in Vyasabadi. Let us see what are the recordings of her, how she has got interested in this, how her hobby make her a successful career in this. Clear? Let us go to that. So this is clear, children. First one we have seen about reading. Next one what is said? Painting is a good artist. Now we have to see a sportswoman. Sports girl, actually she is not a woman, she is a girl only. She is not even 15 years old, teenage she is. She started his career at the age of 2. So, her father is interested in carom. Her father is a fish cart driver. He is interested in what I said. His father is interested in carom, but because his family people not encouraging him, so he could not get success. So at least he wanted his daughter to become like that. At least he planned to make his daughter a successful sportswoman, and he has given training from her in the age of 2. Whenever he go for the carom tournament and competitions and all, he used to take the girl. She is only 2 years now. At the 5 years, from the 2 years, she used to listen the sounds of the striker, carom coins, everything. She developed her knowledge. From the 5 years, first time he asked her to play, she got success. From that day onwards, she is going on learning carom, and she is the champion in the international level as well as national level. Let us see now. We will see the life history of her. The girl name is Ilavalagi. What's the girl name? She is the heroine there. Her father name is Mr. A. Irdayaraj. Where she is residing at Vyasabadi. She is good in carom. Let us go to the lesson. The hardworking and the passionate people always chase their dream and live it. They are always going at the back of the dream. They are always going at the back of the dream. And Ilavalagi is one among the many to achieve a dream amidst of all hearts. All hearts means for trouble. She lives in Vyasarbadi, so we can estimate what kind of life she is leading. It's a middle class area only, no. There, she got one small room only. With the one room only, all his family people, that is father, mother, her sisters, everybody must live together. Her father was a district level champion of carom. His dream shattered since his family did not encourage and support him. His family was not supporting him, so he wants to become a carom champion. It's not possible. He was determined to achieve this through his daughter. He used to put his daughter on the carom board while she listened to the sounds of striker and coins. So the strikers and coins, they're striking on the board and producing sound, That sound she used to listen from the age of 2. When she was 2 years old, he would carry her with him to the tournaments. Tournament, a place where with the challenges they are doing the practice. He played with his friends at local clubs. Her father began coaching her when she was around 5 years. She started to play in the 5 years. Though she heard the sound in the age of 2, she started from 5 years only. She started her carom thing from 5 years. One day, her father called her for a match and she won the match. This gave her confidence. The confidence led her to win. This confidence, you know what it is? Because of the confidence, even in the age of 5, she got success. That confidence led her to win. Her victories included the Asia Cup, that is South Asian Association for the Regional Cooperation, and Cup and the World Championship. Asia Cup she got, and what are the achievements of her? We'll see what are the things. One is Asia Cup, other one is South Champion Cup. That is in the south side, she is the champion. Irdayaraj is a fish cart driver. What's his father? Though he is interested in cricket, just to lead his family, he is working as a fish cart driver. Maybe he is a fisher. His profession is fishing maybe. We don't know about it. Okay, children, we'll continue in another class.